What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna get a bunch of little things done. We're gonna get Unistrut on the roof. We're gonna finish the edges of the floor. We're gonna put furring strips, and I'm gonna fish some of the wires in. So let's get to it. So I got a bunch of the wires. I'm going to lay out the whole electrical system wiring throughout this van. Electrical system's going to be right here, on my battery bank. So I'm going to fish everything through, label everything, and kind of plan out where everything is right now. Let's get to it. that'll be it for today's video. We got a lot of little things done, a lot of little complications. Like we didn't finish the top of the furring strips. The angle is weird, so we have to figure out a way around that. But I think I got a few ideas. Probably going to do them off camera. But that'll be it for today's video. If you want to see more of this van build, subscribe. If you want to support me further, I have my own clothing brand at sillyclothing.store. Link will be in the description. Thanks for watching. Peace. Thanks for watching. Peace.